Hello everyone, I am Audriraj from Synedry and I am back with another video, and this video is about the basics of active movie viewing, and I will cover what is active movie viewing and how it is relevant to us. So before we even begin, let us know a bit about myself. So who am I? I am Audriraj Mukhopadhyay, and what I basically do is I write some movie reviews in my blog Synedry.com. So my fascination with movies started from a very early age, when probably back in the days of DVDs and CDs. Today we have binge watching, but back in those days there was no scope for binge watching. So we would have to bring CDs and you would get just one take to watch a film. That was it. And in later years I fell in love with writing, so I combined both of these love affairs to create Synedry.com, and also these videos are also a part of that initiative. While learning about movies and while writing about them, I learned something called active movie viewing. So how is it relevant to us? That's what I'm going to talk. But before we even go into knowing what is active movie viewing, we should know a bit about what is passive movie viewing. So passive movie viewing is what we do normally. Okay. For example, it's a weekend and you have some free time, so you just book a few tickets at a movie theater and go out with your friends or family. So you just go in, take a popcorn and sit and watch a movie, and you can come out and maybe say it was a good movie or a bad movie, or maybe sometimes even we don't say that and we just forget about it. That's it. But active movie viewing is a bit different, because in passive movie viewing our goal is not to consciously watch a film. Our goal is to just watch a movie for fun and relaxation. But in active movie viewing, we not only get the fun of the fun part of the movie, but the fun part gets enhanced a lot, and we also appreciate and learn from the art. So let's look a bit about what is active movie viewing. To us movie critics, viewing a movie actively is a tool to enhance our experience of watching a movie, and this is as relevant to ordinary viewers as it is to us. That is why I thought that I could just share this with you. So we all do watch movies, right? So it can improve that. So what is active movie viewing? Active movie viewing is like we not only watch a movie for just sake of fun or relaxation, but we rather lose ourselves in storytelling. Every movie or tells a particular story from a particular perspective about something, and we lose ourselves in the story. We become unified with the narration. So what happens when we become unified with the narration? We learn to appreciate different elements that make a movie what it is. For example, the movement of cameras. Okay, so you see, well, this is for example legends like Satyajit Ray, Ritik Ghatok, etc. Then like we have people like Christopher Nolan, and they all have this art of cinematography. So at a particular scene, when the camera moves and like the way it captures the scene, just one word that comes out of our mouth is wow when we see that. Secondly, we'll also learn to appreciate the presence of sound and background score. Now, this is a very neglected item of a movie which we don't really appreciate. But any movie you take, any great movie you take, any particular scene you take, whether it's Avengers or whether it's Interstellar, whether it's the Dark Knight, or whether it's Pather Panchali. Okay, all of those films have amazing background scores. Whether it's an epic fight scene in Avengers, or traveling through a wormhole, or maybe traveling in a black hole in Interstellar, or maybe um, Batman chasing Joker in Dark Knight. All of these are accompanied by these amazing background scores, and these background scores, they give those scenes the meaning that they have. Next comes the nuanced acting by the actors. So an actor who spends so much time into thinking about the all small details of how he should represent a character, we learn to appreciate them. We learn to appreciate that. And when you become unified with the narration, you forget about yourself, and you for every particular time you become each of those characters. So you feel what they feel. When they feel fear, you also feel the fear. When they feel anger, you also feel that anger. When they feel happy, you also feel that happiness. So when you go through all these emotional ups and downs, and when the movie ends, you have a deeper sense of satisfaction, and you have a deeper realization that helps you get on through your life. So when you do this, watching a movie not only becomes entertainment, but it rather becomes life changing. So how is it relevant to us? We all do watch movies and TV shows. Like, the frequency may vary. Like, someone may watch once or twice a month, or maybe even less, and some people may watch twice or thrice a week, or maybe even more than that. So, like, we know that we all have our work and this and that. So to most of us, movies are basically for fun and relaxation. It's okay. You can watch movies for that. But sometime, like once in a while, well, like, we can try out this approach, right? I don't think there's like a lot to lose if we do that. Like, I think we can gain a lot instead. So on the bright side, we may come out with a life-changing experience or lesson. So a particular movie can completely change our perspective about a particular thing, or about life, or about a specific aspect of life, and we will never be the same after that, realization. So it can help us elevate not only our, like, watching a movie, but also our own life. So go ahead and try it out. So I would like to end this with a quote from famous, very very famous and renowned movie critic, a Pulitzer Prize winning movie critic, Roger Ebert. He says, most of us do not consciously look at a movie, because that is what active movie viewing is about. So when you when you read a book, okay, so that text doesn't have meaning on in its own. You When you read the book, your imagination creates a picture out of it. So you read a book actively, but that doesn't happen when we do watch a movie or a web series. Okay, because the pictures are already there, so we are maybe passing our time like that. So instead of that, when we watch this movie actively, well, you know the benefits by now. Thank you for listening in, and please do like, share, and subscribe, and please do comment and let me know how you felt about this particular video, and like, what are all the things you learned from it, what things you agree on, what you disagree on, and also, if you tried this approach out, also let me know how you felt about it. Okay, I'd really love to know. Thank you. See you next time.